To me, the wastelands. I'm probably pulling Angelina and Brad Pitt. And I want some like an and even head shit. Gonna bring you Mercedes and the ain't even bad shit. And that's without the least, but somebody that last week. You took off a mouth while I sing your song up. You can call it Tommy Boss, my name is Hump. Again, I'll probably pull in Katrina here. And damn true that I listen and I'm family team. Yeah, can't forget about me. And stay me where I go when I have a team. For every time I close my eyes. I'll be in the golden tracks making. We aren't just about it, let me take a crack at it. I probably won't do that, it's lifting it and speed it up. So everybody that loves it and a couple bucks. And all this time, tell me around me, we know that how you are sitting to the things loudly. And know we all have similar tweets. Put in your pocket, pull up your body, put in the room and sing. I wanna be a billionaire, so freaking glad. By all of the things I never had. What will see? I wanna be a cowgirl, for I can see. Smiling next to Oprah and